Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading, and this is your weekly analysis for the euro dollar. So the European euro versus the US dollar. The date is February 9th, 2020. So we can see here in the weekly chart, we have a long-term downtrend, which we had some short-term bullish action on the euro, which was quickly rejected and shot back down. So I've got here's my trend line at the very top for my ultimate peaks. Then I've drawn a parallel trend channel to show where price has been really adhering to over the last couple of years. We see that the volume has been pretty light on the euro, but every time that price moves to this line, we see another big sell-off occur. Last week, very large bearish candle. So let's go ahead and put our pivot points in place to see about this week's price action. So you can see my sentiment is bearish. Now there's a couple qualifiers that could change that, of course. Okay, let's move these down. When I put into the daily perspective, it won't quite translate if I don't move it closer. Alright, so we've got price moving here, the pivot at 109.95. So basically this $1.10 mark, where we've seen price really hang out a lot. We could see a quick pullback to there to get in, but once again, it's a sell once it happens. Could see a pullback all the way to R1 at 1048. That's our first weekly resistance. And then we've got R2 at 1150. So sometimes geopolitical events or data can come out and price comes back up. But at this point, price is moving pretty well away and was rejected pretty significantly from this $1.11 mark. So I don't know if we'll see price go all the way back up to R2. If we were to draw another parallel trend channel, like just, let's match this one that I just drew. If we want to know where the shorter term pullback would be, then thinking there. Let's go ahead and change the color of this one. But yeah, we can see that this descending trend channel, this price action really would see price topping out at about 1048 with a pullback. Let's go ahead and look at our 4-hour chart. And we see the 4-hour being very bearish. There we go. Large 4-hour, bearish candlestick. Friday market day. And we see at the end of the day we had that little, bullish candle. That's just really because traders are cashing out for the week. So you'll see a little bit of whatever the opposite is of price action, it'll kick back. So, we think about, could price kick back again this week for a better buy, at least the pivot? That's something that usually happens. Let's go ahead and draw, again, another parallel trend channel, because this is going to give us our, we'll call it, our day trading. Right? So what's happening today, in the next couple of days, as the market opens. So here is our next channel. So a pullback to here might be as far as price goes. We can see it was really pushed and rejected. It even could potentially cap out here at the 109.60 area, depending about how much selling action really happened. Now let's go ahead and put our moving average on. Price is moving below that 20. I'm feeling good about my sell. It certainly is. It's kind of starting to move away from it a bit. But to be cautious then, because every once in a while it'll try to slap back and touch it. So if we look back here, price moved away from the 4-hour for about the 23rd of January for about 6 days. So we see here prices moved away from the 20th, the 4th, all the way through the 8th. So we could still see the potential move back, but price may want to hang out and consolidate, which is even better, right? That makes my sell even better. Let's go ahead and look at our 1 hour. Yeah, here we go. So this is another bullish hourly candle. However, markets open, prices kind of tend to stall and just move over sideways for a bit. Great, because if that catches up with my fast moving average in the 1 hour, then I'm a sell. And then I'm going to put my stops above the $1.10 mark of that R1. Right, so stops above 110. Because at that point, if price were to come back, shoot back above there, then that might change my sentiment. Oh, about price isn't going to move further this week, right? Something like that. But for now, we've got a pretty extreme downtrend. So you think about day trading, you think about like the hourly chart. And so then you're thinking about the extreme angle, which this is kind of like the velocity angle compared to our main overall trend slope. So if I'm trading, I'm thinking about, okay, as long as price stays below this line, which pretty much syncs up with my moving average, it's still a sell, right? You just want to be careful. I don't want to sell at the bottom. So you see here, looks like some short-term support, short-term daily support at this 109.40. So if prices kind of move sideways here, you might see a little bit of a bip up to the 109.60 area, then that's another sell. Stops above 110. Okay, so yeah, a lot of bearish action in the euro lately. Happy trading this week. I hope you make lots of pips. Talk soon.